Hello there, I'm Dave from Dynobike, and beside me here is the brand new 2022 Euro 5 spec Tuono V4 factory. We have it here to fit an exhaust system, which as you can see we have already done. We've done some base runs on it in its standard form, so we'll be able to use that to make some accurate comparisons as to what it was and what it will be after we have finished with it. Euro 5 spec bike has a different ECU, different protocol, and like all the Euro 5s, they give us a bit of a headache to start off with, but we have cracked this one and it is now ready for tuning. This one has had a full titanium Akrapovic exhaust system fitted to it, and we've put a Dyno air filter in it as well. So now it's time to get cracking, banging on the dyno. Let's do some tuning work and see what we can get out of this one. Wow, that is mighty impressive. Hang on, let's stop this wheel. Here we go, now you can hear me a bit better, I'm sure. Well, that's mighty impressive. So far we've got another 12 or 13 horsepower in the mid-range there at one point, with fairly minimal adjustment to the tune. And it's peaking at 169, it was about 164. There's a little bit to do there in terms of tidying up the mid-range and the low speed, the cruising area, which frankly is where we're all going to spend most of our time. So I need to clean all that up and get all that right, which I've just done some runs now to see where it's at. So I'm going to go and make some adjustments and then write another file to the ECU and see what our final tune brings up. But all in all, this is looking very impressive so far. Well, there you have it. That is a very, very nice motorcycle indeed. We've got a big chunk of horsepower increase right through the mid-range. The biggest jump is at 5 grand, as I said earlier. Let's see what it is. So it's almost 15 horsepower increase at 5 grand. And a nice increase right through the rev range, right to red line. Top end wise, peak horsepower has gone from 166 to 171 horsepower. And all in all, this bike is ready to rock and roll. Very, very happy with this. I would not mind having one of these myself. I have to swallow my pride a little bit because the earlier model ones I haven't been so fussed on. But this particular one with the new ECU and all the upgrades is a very nice motorcycle. Anyway, if you want to purchase your Akrapovic full system, You can do it by clicking on the link below here. They are in stock, or we try to keep them in stock. You can also purchase the air filter and book in for a custom tune through our website. And I think I'm going to go for a test ride on this bike now, and it may very well be quite a long test ride, I'm thinking. But anyway, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. I'm Dave from Dynobike.